on what Cap 3 nonsense actually is. I have said this before, and I will say it again until it is heard in every corner of this republic. Cap 3 is not a development instrument. It is not a continuity agenda. It is not about Vision 2030 or poles or solar panels or hospital refurbishment, worthy as some of those programs are. Zarapina mashoko mdanyu kopangwa inoi na sigawage mapuranga pamusoro Cap 3 webva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Nasana mudanyira chiti. Cap 3 is a blocking mechanism. It is one primary political function to prevent General Constantino Chiwenga from ascending to the presidency through the direct popular vote that he would win. Everything else, the economic arguments, the development continuity narrative, the liberation history revisionism we heard from CHAMISA is addressing. It is the packaging on a product whose contents are permanent, postponed of Zimbabwe's constitutional succession reality. On Operation Restore Legacy, November 2017 was not a coup. I will not call it a coup. The courts did not call it a coup. The people came into the streets in their hundreds of thousands. Did not call it a coup. They called it liberation. They called it correction. They called it the moment Zimbabwe got a second chance. Operation Restore Legacy made promises, explicit, public, witnessed promises to the people of Zimbabwe, to the region, to the international community, and to history itself. It promised constitutionalism. It promised the rule of law. It promised that Zimbabwe's democratic institutions would be respected and strengthened. It promised that the era of one man, permanent, unaccountable rule was over. Every one of those promises is now under assault by Cap 3. Let me say that with the full weight of what it means. The men who stood in that television studio on the 15th of November 2017, who read that statement, who put their stars and their freedom on the line, who asked Zimbabwe to trust them, those men made a covenant with this nation. That covenant is not dischargeable by gazette notice. It is not amendable by parliamentary majority. It cannot be revised because the political convenience of 2026 conflicts with the political promises of 2017. Operation Restore Legacy is not over. It is not over until constitutionalism is genuinely restored, not performed, not simulated, not dressed up in development language while being systematically dismantled. Ndo mashuwanu mudahita kupangwa inoi. Kana kuma section medu zafungura ini muri kudipa msura pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.